My name is Dave Irby. I was born and grew up in Marietta, Georgia. I have an older and younger sister and two parents that love God. My parents were faithful members of Roswell Street Baptist Church. I was 8 years old when I first felt God speaking to me at a crusade, and I responded by asking Christ to come into my life. As I moved into middle school and then high school, I continued to grow in my relationship with God. My wife Rhonda and I met in high school and began dating at the end of our junior year. We married 4 years later, just before our senior year in college. In 1986, we moved to Fort Worth so I could attend Southwestern Seminary. A few years after moving to Fort Worth, we had our first child, Russell, who is now 23. Our daughter, Alex, came along 4 years later. They're both graduates of Burleson High School. We've been involved at several churches since moving to the Fort Worth area, and I've served as a bivocational youth minister on 2 occasions. I've also had a career in sales and sales management for the past 28 years and currently work as a senior account executive for Northwest Evaluation Association. NWA is a Portland, Oregon-based nonprofit assessment company that sells computer adaptive assessments to both public and private schools. In early 2009, our family was looking for a new church home. Alex was a freshman in high school, and our number one priority was to find a place that had a vibrant youth ministry that would encourage and challenge her to grow in her faith and give her opportunities to serve. She already had a number of friends that went to First Baptist. We really sensed God's presence in the 931 service and were challenged by Brother Mike's preaching, so we knew that FBC was exactly where God wanted our family. Rhonda and I have always had a passion for teenagers, so we were thrilled when Chris Wigley asked us to pray about being involved with the youth ministry. So in August of 2009, we began teaching the class of 2013, Rhonda with the girls and me with the guys. It's hard to believe they'll be graduating in just a few more months. We also wanted to be connected with parents of teenagers. We were given the opportunity to start a life group in January of 2010. And I have to say, it's been a huge blessing to be part of a group of adults that pray, study, and minister and grow together. Last year, our life group went through the course Experiencing God by Henry Blackaby. Although I had been through it previously, it tremendously impacted my life. God has deepened my understanding of what it means to experience God on a day-by-day basis. Following that, we read The Hole in Our Gospel by Richard Starnes. Through the truths in that book, God has radically challenged and refocused my life. One of the prayers that I prayed this past year is that God would break my heart for what breaks His. I think God loves to answer those kind of prayers. God called Rhonda, Alex, and me to go on a mission trip to South Africa this past summer with 7 other members of FBC. It was a wonderful blessing, and through that experience, God has really given me a passion to help the poor and needy around the world. I'm so excited that so many FBC members went on mission this past summer, and I look forward to everything God will accomplish through us as we adjust our lives and join Him in His work. Blackaby says in Experiencing God that when we do things man's way, we get man-sized results. When we do things God's way, we get God-sized results. It's my prayer that we will see God do more things among us that can only be explained as an act of God. That's my hope and prayer for First Baptist Church, Burleson.